Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
A dog biscuit? Oh, are we going to teach Mona a new trick?
Well, it is a dog biscuit, and no, we're not going to teach Mona a new trick. What we are going to do is...
Or maybe we're going to give it to her as a special treat.
No, she hasn't done anything special to earn a treat. What we are going to do today is...
Or maybe we're going to see if she can swallow it in just one bite.
No, we're not going to see if she can swallow it in just one bite. She can't do that, it's way too big.
No, it's not. See?
What in the world?
Mona has a big bite and a big bite. And a big burp.
Oh, brother. Hey friends, Pastor Robbie here, along with my lovely assistant and wonderful daughter, Sadie.
Hello.
And before we get started, we want to take a minute to wish a happy birthday to Lindsay from Port Orange, Florida.
Happy birthday, Lindsay. Man, I wish I could come to Florida and visit.
Well, maybe someday you can, but for now, we've got a job to do. Lindsay turns 7 next week and is a big fan of the show.
Excellent.
And we also want to wish a happy birthday to Daisy from Muskegon, Michigan, who just turned 10 last Sunday.
Hey, wait a minute. Wasn't last Sunday your birthday?
It was. So Daisy and I share the same birthday.
How about that?
What can we say? It's an amazing day in history, right, Daisy? In fact, I'm still accepting late birthday wishes, cards, and presents from anyone who wants to send them my way.
Oh, brother. Can we get back to the episode?
Yes, but I want to remind everyone that if they'd like to have their birthday announced on an episode of Family Moments, just go to our website, FamilyMomentsFun.com, for all the details. Now, back to the show. As today, we're going to have some fun learning about sticks and stones.
Sticks and stones? What does that have to do with dog biscuits?
Well, what shape is this dog biscuit?
Looks like a dog bone to me.
Right. We see a lot of bones or skeletons this time of year. In fact, we were driving by a house the other day and saw a pretty big skeleton.
Oh yeah, that thing was huge!
Well, since there are so many skeletons out this time of year, I thought we may as well tie it into a lesson. And we all know the saying about sticks and stones.
Oh yeah, sticks and stones may break my bones, but names will never hurt me.
Right, except it's not true.
What do you mean, not true? I've been saying that phrase since I was a kid.
Well, let me ask you this. Has anyone ever called you an unpleasant name?
You mean besides Sadie?
Well, yeah. I'm talking about calling you a name that isn't very nice. Like dummy, or loser, or bird brain.
Oh.
Or Nimrod, or goober, or dorky.
Okay, I get the idea. And yes, I've been called unpleasant names before.
And when they call you unpleasant names, how does that make you feel?
Horrible.
So what you're saying is names really do hurt people.
Well, yeah, I guess now that I think about it, they do. That saying isn't right at all. I'm guessing that sticks and stones saying isn't in the Bible.
Well, no, it's not. But there is a better verse that has to do with kind words and their effect on bones.
Really?
Yeah, let's take a look at Proverbs 16:24, where it says, "Gracious words are a honeycomb, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones."
Interesting. So you're saying that our words really do matter?
Absolutely. Just as saying mean things can make someone feel awful, saying kind words can comfort someone's soul and even bring healing to the bones.
What does that mean, healing to the bones? What if my bones are just fine?
Well, healing to the bones is another way of saying it touches you deeply. Let me demonstrate this for you with our dog bone biscuit. If we hit it with a stick or a stone, it'll break. I'm going to use this hammer to represent the stick and the stone and watch what happens.
Wow, it's shattered! But you're saying that a simple word can be crushing too.
Oh yeah, with one word. Let me demonstrate with this perfectly good bone here and one word. Watch. Come here, girl. We got Mona on the set today. Can you sneak up here? Now watch this. Hold on. With one word. Touch.
Oh man, she devoured it! I guess our words really are important.
Oh yeah. Let's get Mona off the set so we can finish this lesson. Here we go. Okay. And there she goes. Well, I thought it would be a fun exercise to have everyone practice saying something nice every time they see a skeleton this month.
No bones about it. That's a great idea. Hey, why don't we drive by that huge skeleton and practice that idea ourselves?
Great idea. Let's go.
Wow, this thing is huge!
Well, I guess since we're in front of a skeleton, I better give you a big gracious compliment. Sadie, I think you're smart and fun and funny and just a very God-honoring young woman. And I am so proud to be your dad.
Gee, thanks, Dad. That did feel pretty sweet. And I think you're pretty okay, too.
That's it? Anything else you want to add to that?
Gee, Dad, I don't want to overdo it.
Good point. Learning to be kind and gracious with our words is a beautiful thing. So, Sadie, what did you learn today?
I learned that while sticks and stones can break my bones, names and words can still hurt pretty badly too. In fact, they can wound people pretty deeply.
Exactly.
And instead, we should get into the habit of saying kind words to others that are filled with grace and kindness.
Very good.
Now, I was just thinking about how that verse also mentioned honey.
Oh, come to think of it, you're right, it did.
And so I thought I'd take this word, winner, and add a little honey to the back of it and stick it on your forehead, like this.
Wait a minute. That doesn't say winner. You left an N out. It says whiner.
Oh, you're right. Oh well, close enough.
What?
Congratulations, Dad. You're a whiner.
Ow, brother. Today's episode was sponsored by our good friends at Squirrely Joe's Coffee.
Oh yeah, you love their coffee.
I sure do. This Christian family-owned and independently operated business roasts some of the best coffee I've ever tasted.
Well, they sure have some cool sounding blends.
You're right. There's integrity, wisdom, honor, and compassion, just to name a few. I'm just about finished with my 5-pound bag of integrity, which has a hint of cashews, honey, molasses, and milk chocolate.
Sounds delicious.
And I'm getting ready to order a bag of compassion, which has a touch of milk chocolate, roasted almonds, apple, and brown spice.
Well, that certainly gets you in the fall mood.
What can I say? Squirrely Joe's is the real deal. And for those of you who want to find out for yourself, they're offering our fans a 20% discount off your first order. Just go to squirrelyjoes.com, make a selection, and enter the discount code FAMILYMOMENTS. And you'll be on your way to Squirrely Joe Paradise. And if you'd like to possibly sponsor an episode or a series of Family Moment episodes, just drop us an email. We'd love to talk with you about the possibility of partnering with us as we teach the truth about what